Alright, and what's up, everyone? So, for tonight, as you can see, I have a pair of socks lying around, and I just want to show you what I'm going to do with these socks or sock, whatever you want to call it. So, I have like an old phone with me. This is a Note 5 AI Dual. It was released March 2018, and I bought this May 2018, so it's like a 2-year-old and 5 months 2-year-old and 5 months phone. And this one is the Note 7 Pro, which I bought 2019, so it's about like 1 year and 6 months. Both of them are still working, and as you can see, they don't have scratches. It's like they are still in mint condition. This one is I think aluminum with the back, the Note 5 AI. Aluminum or plastic. Anyway, you can check that out on GSM Arena. For the Note 7 Pro, both the back and front, they are glass. So Gorilla Glass, they don't really get a lot of scratches. Anyway, to cut the long story short, I normally use this kind of casing for protection, and this kind of phone case is just like a simple fabric, but they cost me like $5 or $6, so 250 to 300 pesos. So it's kind of expensive if I'm gonna buy another one. Also, this one is for the Note 7 Pro. Same thing, made of fabric, and so far so good. No scratches on both phones. So the phone I'm using right now is the Poco X3, so it doesn't have a case. So I saw a video from YT or YouTube, and they use just a pair of socks. Well, you can use just one, and I bought one a while ago. This one is just for $1. I think 50 peso from our Santa Lucia Mall, or you can go to SM and buy one. And they're kind of thick, so I think this one will do good. But it kind of looks funny, so we're gonna try it now. And I'm planning to use this one on my Poco. So it's really kind of cute. I'm a cheapo. I don't want to spend 250 pesos or 200 300 pesos more to buy another cell phone case like this. So I just went out a while ago, and it was expensive, so I just decided to grab a pair of socks, and I have an extra. Or maybe you can I think you can use the other one to double it up for extra protection. But yeah, no, I ain't gonna do that. I'm just gonna use one, and I think this one will work or will be good enough. Size 6 on the phone, or I think even size 7 will work. But the Note 5 AI and Note 7 Pro, they are like 6.5 with the sizes, so they work great, and we'll see what will happen after a few months. But so far with this, it's been 2 years, and the other one, it's 1 year and a half. No complaints. It's just that I don't really drop my phone. But I think the disadvantage is that if you drop your phone using the socks, definitely it is not shockproof, so it will get some damage. But for rust or dust, then here you go. This one will work. Anyway, it's just me. I'm just a cheapo. I just want to share what I found on YouTube, and actually bought one. So there you go. That's all for now.